Your bank account just took a $48 hit you never authorized. You look in the mirror and your skin is bright red. It is stinging. It is peeling. This is the reality behind those viral collagen pads everyone is flaunting on their feeds. We need to talk about the dark side of the glass skin trend. People are chasing that perfect, dewy glow. They see a video and they click buy immediately. But there is a massive trap waiting for you. The science behind it is the first place where the story falls apart. These pads claim to pump collagen into your face. Here is the hard truth. Collagen molecules are too big. They cannot get deep enough into your pores to actually fix wrinkles. It is a marketing fairy tale. You are basically paying for a costumed wet cloth that sits on the surface. But that is just the start of the nightmare. There is a full-blown replica crisis happening right now. Ghost warehouses are popping up everywhere. They look like the real brand on your screen. They use the same colors. They use the same fonts. Then the package arrives. It is not the soothing formula you expected. These fakes are packed with harsh industrial-grade alcohol. It eats through your skin barrier in seconds. Instead of a glow, you get a chemical burn. It is terrifying how easy these scammers can reach you through social media shops. And then there is the billing ambush. This part makes my blood boil. You think you are making a one-time purchase. Maybe you even signed up for a free trial. Suddenly, you see a charge for $48. Then another one the next month. You try to cancel. You log into the portal. The cancel button does not even work. It is a dead link. It is a ghost button designed to keep you trapped. You are stuck in a subscription loop with no exit. Reports of this are exploding on review sites throughout February of 2026. It is a coordinated effort to drain your wallet while you are distracted by pretty packaging. Even the physical material of the pads is a problem. They are designed to stretch over your face. If you pull too hard, you are causing micro tears in your tissue. You are literally wounding your face for the sake of a trend. The aesthetic is a lie. This is a classic case of a brand being real, but the ecosystem around it being totally rotten. You have to be so adventurous with your skincare, but not at the cost of your safety. Be careful with these unverified beauty ads. If a deal looks too good to be true, it is probably a trap. Your face is too precious to gamble with. Your money is too hard-earned to hand over to ghost companies. Stay skeptical of every viral video you see. Do not let a 30-second clip convince you to ruin your skin barrier. We see these fraud alerts hitting peak levels right now. It is a beauty nightmare disguised as a miracle cure. The pressure to look perfect makes us vulnerable. We want the shortcut. We want the instant fix. Scammers know this. They use those high-definition videos to sell you a dream that ends in a bank dispute. If you see these pads popping up in your feed, keep scrolling. The risk of a ruined complexion and a drained savings account is just too high. Real beauty does not come from a subscription scam or a chemical-filled replica. It comes from being smart and protecting yourself from the hype machine. Take a deep breath and realize you do not need this viral product to be beautiful. You just need to keep your skin safe from the people who see you as nothing more than a credit card number.